6 Best Herbs for Collagen, Skin, Hair, and Nails. If you're looking for natural ways to support glowing skin, strong hair and nails, and healthy joints, collagen is a big part of the story. In today's video, I'm sharing 6 of the best herbs for building and protecting collagen. I'll walk you through what they do, how to use them, and a few safety notes at the end, so you can start working with them confidently. Before we dive into the herbs, let's quickly talk about collagen. Collagen is a structural protein that helps keep your skin firm and elastic, your joints cushioned, and your hair and nails strong. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down. Things like stress, poor diet, smoking, and too much sun can speed that process up. Herbs don't replace collagen, but many of them provide minerals, vitamin C, and antioxidants that help your body build collagen and protect the collagen you already have. Horsetail. First up is horsetail, a mineral-rich herb, especially known for its high silica content. Silica is a key building block for healthy connective tissue, skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. Many people use horsetail to support hair growth, nail strength, and overall tissue repair. How to use horsetail. As a tea, simmer 1 tablespoon of dried horsetail in about 12 ounces of water for 15 to 20 minutes to extract the minerals. Drink 1 cup once or twice a day for short periods. In blends, combine with Nettles and Hibiscus for a collagen-supportive mineral tea. Externally, you can also use cooled horsetail tea as a hair rinse to support shine and strength. We'll cover safety for horsetail in the notes at the end, so stay tuned for that. Nettles. Next is Nettles, a classic nutrient-dense tonic. Nettles are rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, silica, and iron, which support bones, tissues, and overall vitality. They help nourish the body from the inside out, which indirectly supports healthy collagen and strong hair, skin, and nails. How to use nettles. As a nourishing infusion, place 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaf in a jar. Pour about 12 to 16 ounces of just boiled water over it, cover, and steep for 4 to 8 hours or overnight. Strain and drink 1 to 2 cups a day. As a simple tea, steep 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of dried nettle in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. In food, add young cooked nettle leaves to soups, stews, or sautés like you would spinach. Never eat them raw because of the sting. Nettles make a great daily food-like herb for long-term nourishment.
Gotu Kola.
Our third herb is Gotu Kola, a gentle but powerful ally for skin and connective tissue. Gotu Kola has a long history of use for wound healing, scar support, and overall tissue repair. It's often used to support circulation to the skin and to encourage collagen synthesis, making it a favorite in many traditional skin formulas. How to use Gotu Kola. As a tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried Gotu Kola in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can drink 1 to 2 cups a day in short to moderate term use. As a powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of Gotu Kola powder to smoothies, warm milk alternatives, or honey. Topically, look for creams or oils that include Gotu Kola extract for scars, fine lines, or areas needing extra support. Gotu Kola is also known as a medhya herb in Ayurveda, supporting clarity and calm, so it can be a nice ally when stress is impacting your skin. Calendula. Now, let's talk about calendula, also known as pot marigold. Calendula is famous for soothing, brightening, and protecting the skin. It is anti-inflammatory and helps support tissue repair, which means it can help protect existing collagen and create a healthy environment for your skin to renew itself. How to use calendula. As a tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried calendula petals in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can drink it alone or blend it with other herbs like hibiscus and nettles. Topically, use calendula-infused oil, salves, or creams for dry, irritated, or damaged skin. Apply to clean skin once or twice a day. As a rinse, use cooled calendula tea as a gentle facial rinse or compress to calm the skin. Calendula is especially nice for sensitive or reactive skin that needs soothing as well as support.
Moringa.
Next up is Moringa, sometimes called the miracle tree. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals, which are all important for collagen production and protection. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor in collagen synthesis, while antioxidants help reduce the oxidative stress that can break collagen down.
How to use Moringa.
As a powder, add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder to smoothies, juices, or oatmeal once a day. As a tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried Moringa leaf in hot water for about 10 minutes. In food, use fresh or dried Moringa leaves in soups or stir-fries if they are available in your area. Start with small amounts, as Moringa can be quite stimulating for some people. Hibiscus. Our 6th herb is hibiscus, a beautiful, tangy flower. Hibiscus is high in vitamin C and rich in antioxidants that help protect collagen and elastin in the skin. It's often called a natural Botox in beauty circles because of its support for skin elasticity and brightness, though it's much gentler and, of course, not a quick fix injection. How to use hibiscus. As a tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. It makes a gorgeous ruby red tea that can be enjoyed hot or iced. In blends, combine hibiscus with nettles, horsetail, and a bit of calendula for a collagen-supportive beauty tea. Topically, some facial toners and masks use hibiscus extract to gently brighten and support the skin. Because hibiscus is tangy and cooling, it's especially refreshing in warmer months or for people who run hot. Safety notes. Now let's go over some quick but important safety notes. This video is for educational purposes and is not medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting new herbs, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, on medications, or have underlying health conditions. Horsetail. Use in moderation and for limited periods. Avoid if you have kidney issues, and always use properly identified, prepared horsetail from a trusted source. Nettles. Generally food-like, but can be drying or stimulating for some people. If you're on blood pressure or blood-thinning medications, talk with your practitioner first. Gotu Kola. Use moderate amounts. Avoid very high doses or long-term use without guidance, especially if you have liver issues or are on medications. Calendula. Avoid internal use if you are allergic to plants in the daisy family, like ragweed or chamomile. Patch test topical products if you have very sensitive skin. Moringa can be stimulating and may affect blood sugar and blood pressure. Start low and go slow if you have metabolic or cardiovascular conditions. Hibiscus may lower blood pressure. Use caution if you already have low blood pressure or are taking blood pressure medications. If you notice any unusual symptoms, rash, digestive upset, headaches, stop the herb and check in with a professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like this video if it brought you value, subscribe to the channel for more herbal and natural wellness content, and share it with a friend who cares about healthy skin, hair, and joints. Your engagement helps this information reach more people who need it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.